Hello, how are you? Our lesson from Unit 4, Lesson 2. It's about the probability. At first, what is the meaning of probability? Chance of occurrence of an event. You know that an event is either certain, possible, or impossible, and the probability expresses the chance of occurrence of an event. So we have three types of event. It's certain or sure, possible, or impossible. Number 1. The probability for impossible event is 0. So impossible equals 0. Number 2. The probability of certain or sure event is 1. Number 3. The probability of possible event is between 0 and 1. We can say it can be a proper or decimal number. Generally, probability of an event A, P of A, equals the number of ways event A can occur over the total number of possible outcomes. For example, a single six-sided die is rolled. What is the probability of each comes? Number 2. What is the probability of rolling an even number of rolling an odd number? Let's answer question number 1. What is the probability of each outcomes? The possible outcomes of the experiment are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because the die has 6 sides or 6 faces, contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the probability of getting number 1 equals number of ways to roll a 1 over the total number of sides. Number 1 here we have only number 1 and the total number here is 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it equals 1 over 6. The probability of getting number 2 equals the number of ways to roll a 2 and number 2 over the total number of sides. We have here only one number 2 and the total sides here are 6, so it's 1 over 6. Probability of getting number 3. Number of ways to roll a 3 over the total number of sides. We have here only number 3 and the total number here or the total sides are 6. It's 1 over 6. The probability of getting number 4 equals the number of ways to roll a 4 over the total number of sides. We have here only number 4. It's 1 over the total number or the total sides here are 6. It's 1 over 6. The probability of getting 5, number of ways to roll a 5 over the total number of sides. We have here only one number 5. So it's 1 over 6, the total sides. The probability of getting number 6, it equals number of ways to roll a 6 over the total number of sides. We have here only number 6, it's 1 and the total sides here are 6, it's 1 over 6. The probability of getting an even number. Way to rule an even number over the total number of sides. How many even numbers we have on the die? It's number 2 and 4 and 6. So we have here 3 numbers and the total number are 6. It's 3 over 6 and we can put it in the simplest form by dividing each the numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. The probability of getting an odd number equals weight rule an odd number over the total number of sides. We have here 3 odd number. It's 1, 3 and 5 on the die. So we have here 3 numbers over the total number is 6. 3 over 6. We can put it in the simplest form by dividing 3 and 6 by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So the probability of getting an even or odd is half. Note that the sum of probabilities of all possible events equals 1. Example number 2. A box contains 4 blue balls, 2 red balls and 3 green balls, all equal in size. If a ball is drawn blindly complete, the probability of drawing the blue ball. How many blue balls we have here? We have here 4 blue balls. So we write 4 over the total number. The total number here, we have here 4, 2 and 3. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So the total number here is 9. And the blue ball were 4. It's 4 over 9. Letter B. The probability of drawing a red ball. We have here 2 red balls. So 2 over the total number, we said before the total number is 9. So it's B 2 over 9. Letter C. The probability of drawing a green ball. We have here 3 green balls, so it's 3 over the total number 9, 3 over 9, and we can put it in the simplest form by dividing numerator and denominator by number 3. So equals 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Letter D. The probability of drawing a non-green ball. We will take all the balls except the green. So we'll take the blue balls and red balls. We have here 4 balls and 4 blue balls and 2 red balls. So it's 2 plus 4 over 9. 2 plus 4 equals 6 over 9. We can put it in simplest form by dividing numerator and denominator by 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2 and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Letter E. The probability of drawing a non-red ball. We will take all the balls except the red balls. So we have here 4 blue balls and 3 green balls. So it will be 4 plus 3 over 9. So 4 plus 3 equals 7, 7 over 9. Example number 3. A box contains 5 red balls, 2 blue balls and 7 green balls are equal in size. If a ball is drawn blindly, complete the probability of drawing blue ball. We have here 2 blue balls and the total number here 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So the blue balls is 2, 2 over 14. We can put it in the simplest form by dividing numerator and denominator by 2. 2 by 2 equals 1 and 14 divided by 2 equals 7. It's 1 over 7. Letter B. The probability of drawing a red ball. We have here 5 red ball and the total number is 14. It's 5 over 14. The probability of drawing a green ball. We have here 7 green balls and the total number is 14. It's 7 over 14. We can put it in the simplest form by dividing each of them by 7. 7 divided by 7 equals 1 and 14 divided by 7 equals 2. It's 1 over 2. Letter E. The probability of drawing a non-red ball. We will take all the balls except the red balls. Okay, we will cancel the red balls and we will take the 2 blue balls and 7 green balls. 2 plus 7 equals 9. It's 9 over 14. Circle the correct answer. Letter A. The probability of the impossible event is, we say before, the impossible event is 0. The probability of the certain or sure event is 1. When you flip a coin once, the probability of getting a tail is, we know that the coin has two faces, one head and the second face is tail. So to get a tail and we flip the coin once, so it's 1 over 2 or half. When you throw a die once, the probability of getting the number 3, we know that the die has contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have here only number 3, it's 1 over 6. The total number is 6. When you draw a card from cards numbered from 1 to 8, the probability of getting the number 4 from 1 to 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we have only number 4. So it's 1 over, the total number here is 8. So it's 1 over 8. It's the end of our lesson. Thank you for listening and see you. Bye.